Welcome back, Bitcoin World Crypto. Today's project is DEXtoken.net. This is the main website of DEX, the first multi-chain certificate of deposit. You can buy DEX, you can stake DEX, and this is the button sacrifice for DEX on Avalanche. As you can see here, a DEX sacrifice phase timer is running here, 1 day 17 hours 13 minutes. And when you scroll down, you can also read more in detail. This is for page 1. We only accept sacrifice from the following network: BSC, Polygon Matic, Avalanche, and Ether. And this is the second page. These currencies: DEX, Ether, Hex, BNB, Avalanche, AVX, Matic, and USDT. Hex chain bounty: for every hex sacrifice you will also qualify for 1 ADEX airdrop. And this is page 3. Don't sacrifice directly from exchange like Binance, Coinbase, and KuCoin. And the fourth page is to sacrifice, send your token to the address below. This is the address where you can send your fund and can sacrifice your tokens. And this is detail of sacrifice schedule, and disclaimer is also available here, you can read it. This is the stake page of DEX. You can use it for staking. This is FAQ section of DEX. DEX is already live on BSC scan, you can follow it. What are the main advantages of DEX? Allow everyone that has missed the best value growth in Hex to have the opportunity to get similar gains. Hex on Plus will not give 10,000% return because Hex has already appreciated so much. Allow small players to participate. Small Hex purchase, small Hex stakes are priced out right now due to high transaction fees. Holder of DEX is early network will be eligible for airdrop on further networks. And this is the detail of what does DEX really do. DEX is a store of value coin. None of the fancy stuff like Ether or NFT governance coin. DEX is the same camp as Bitcoin and Hex. They are both store of value. And this is the detail. Is DEX is Hex killer? Absolutely not. In fact, we love Hex and love Richard Hart win. 1% of circulating supply of DEX will be donated to the Hex origin address. We aim to provide another opportunity for those that missed the beginning of Hex to take advantage of another crypto certificate of deposit on network where the little guy isn't priced out. And these are other questions, you can also read them. DEX white paper and tokenomics detail. DEX is a true crypto certificate of deposit token on Binance Smart Chain. DEX tokenomics significantly reward long-term stakes. 20% base interest plus bonus for longer stakes, no hidden fees, and 3% deflation on early stakes. Single coin, no share coin, no admin key, early unstake penalties, early unstake benefit current stakers. This is the detail of the team and these are their social link to follow. So this is the end of the video. I hope you will like it. Thanks for watching.